We're going to eat it all.
Oh yeah, definitely.
We're going to break some records. Are you going to keep on making the same holiday dishes? Are you really that person? Really? Well, I'm not. I'm going to make the ultimate showpiece. The Rolls-Royce of family dinners, the Mac Daddy of roast, the venison crown. But you will have to get this. No, you can't buy this at the supermarket. You will have to butter up your butcher. You have to make him like you. And then, only then, you can get this beautiful venison rack. Wild shot. Look, there's a bullet that went through this bone. Absolutely gorgeous. To turn this rack into a crown, first we need to connect both ends. So I'm taking some butcher's twine and a butcher's needle and I'm sewing one end to the other. Don't use a lot of force because this is delicate meat. We're also going to need a little bit of extra butcher's twine to make the crown stand up perfectly straight. Look at that, it already looks like a proper crown. Now we have that big hole in the middle and we're going to fill it up with a piece of loin. We're getting close for this thing to be cooked, so let's fire up the grill. Now we'll put our cast iron pan on the fire, put in a little bit of compound butter because we are making delicious garlic pan-fried mushrooms. Add some onions, a little bit of garlic, let it soften up, then add the mushrooms. Let them turn soft and then put them on top of the crown. Dot on a little bit of delicious mashed potato and finish it off with your favorite barbecue rub. Oh boy, does that look good. The masterpiece! The crown, venison crown, look at it. What an absolute beauty. We're gonna be cooking this on our Kamado Joe. I set it up for indirect heat now, so we can have a roasting temperature of 140 degrees Celsius.
What are you waiting for? Put it on the grill.
Yeah, you don't want to look at it a little bit longer? No. Look at how beautiful it is.
Yeah, but...
What? Now, it's time to cook. Now you know why you need to make this. The crown, the holy grail of roasts for your holiday season, for your family dinners, for whatever. If you're eating alone or just with your camera friend, it doesn't matter. It's amazing. It looks fantastic. But let me prove it to you.
Wow. This is so tender.
It's not me. It's not me. People think it's crunchy. It's not me, it's the dog eating some bones. It's not me. But this thing is like awesome.
I wasn't expecting this to be that tender. I mean, it looks tender, right? This is tender.
For the people that watch this channel regularly, they know Marcin and I are big fan of lamb chops. But holy mac. This is like hitting the mother load of lamb chops. In them, better.
Look. You didn't put any rub on it, did you? Wow. That's amazing. That's really amazing.
There's only one problem with this. It's too small.
No.
Yes, it's too small. I couldn't invite anybody. I'm gonna eat this part, and then you're gonna eat that part, and then I'm still hungry. I would eat more, seriously. This is like super awesome.
So, I like lamb chops a lot, but I think I got a new favorite.
I got a t-shirt. Sir, lamb chops a lot.
Sir, lamb chops a lot. Oh man.
Can I have another one?
Mm-hmm. We're going to eat it all.
Oh yeah, definitely.
We're gonna break some records. Oh, and I was so hungry. Were you hungry?
Oh yeah. No.
You're not sticking to the script, Marcin. Funny how the meat is all very flavorful in itself without putting on the salt.
It basically doesn't need anything.
It even doesn't need salt. But if you put salt on,
Yeah,
it pops.
it pops.
But it's good as it is. Talking about natural flavors. Okay, Marcin, I might have been a little bit optimistic.
Me too.
I'm starting to get full.
No, I'm so full.
That's good.
Yeah.
You need to try this.
I just had.
No. There you go. Okay. The dog is looking at me now very aggressively.
No, yeah, this is. No.
We're getting in a danger zone. We need to stop the video right here. The dog wants some too.
I can't walk anymore.
A big thank you to the patrons and the YouTube members. You guys freaking rock. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
I'm keep on grilling.